Well, hi, everybody, and good Wednesday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here. The immediate concern stepping out the door this morning is fog. Now, for many of us, it's a light fog or a haze this morning, but there are some areas of dense fog. The two areas that have seen the worst of it so far this morning are up around the O'Neill area and the North Platte area, where we have a dense fog advisory till 9 o'clock this morning. Now, we've seen some other patchy areas of dense fog around Ord, McCook, Holdridge, Lexington from time to time. So those other locations, again, it's going to be fairly foggy out there as well. So especially west and north of the Tri-Cities, otherwise light haze elsewhere. Some thicker clouds still do remain in the eastern part of the state. Still a small chance of rain in eastern Nebraska, Lincoln, Beatrice eastward. The biggest concern for precipitation, though, will be focusing on that cluster to our northwest. There are some ongoing showers and thunderstorms in southwest South Dakota, and we're going to keep an eye on that later today as those move along the Nebraska-South Dakota border, as that could trigger some strong to severe thunderstorm activity later this afternoon for our north central Nebraska counties. Meanwhile, farther south, the Tri-Cities, we will see plenty of sunshine, a few extra clouds in eastern Nebraska, and maybe a spotty shower there again east of Highway 77, east of the Lincoln, Beatrice areas. Well, as we look at the evening hours, that chance of showers and storms will then spread southeastward during the evening hours. As it moves into the Tri-Cities area after 10 o'clock tonight, the severe weather threat should lessen. So the severe weather threat will mainly remain to our north and west. Otherwise, we'll keep a small chance of some rain and thunderstorms in the forecast through the late night hours and into early tomorrow morning. As we go through the day tomorrow, some early fog in some spots, especially out west. A few scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms do remain through the day tomorrow, with the main chance of severe weather from about the Tri-Cities east and southward. And again, a lot more sunshine out towards the west. As we push into Thursday evening, the chances of rain will start to wind down Thursday evening across much of the area, taking us to drier weather for Friday and Friday night for the majority of the area. So let's look at that severe weather threat for later on today. Again, the main chance, the best chance will be in that yellow shaded area where there is a slight risk of severe thunderstorms. So really O'Neill, Ainsworth, west and north from there. Hail and wind, the biggest threat, a very small tornado threat out there, especially up around the Valentine area. And then that green shaded area, the marginal threat, that's as those storms start to push southeastward into the evening hours. There's still a small chance of some severe weather. But again, by the time they move into the Tri-Cities area sometime after 10 p.m., probably closer to after midnight tonight, the severe weather threat should be lower. And then we'll shift that threat of severe weather to the southeast. A small chance around the Tri-Cities, a little better chance to the southeast. This is kind of conditional, though. I think there is the possibility of some severe weather, but it may be very hit or miss. Not a lot of widespread severe weather expected for tomorrow. Well, how about temperatures today? For most of us yesterday, we saw a cooler day. Up north, we didn't so much, but today will be warmer. Now, up north, temperatures comparable to what we saw yesterday. You didn't see all that rain yesterday, so you saw a day that was a little warmer. You'll see once again low to mid 80s for highs. Early fog, chance of thunderstorms later today, places like O'Neill and Ainsworth. Probably not around Central City till tonight, later on tonight, or Broken Bow, Albion, maybe by this evening. Just prior to sunset, more likely after sunset. Out west, you'll be looking at some early fog, then mostly sunny skies, highs in the mid 80s. To the south, again, early fog giving way to mostly sunny skies if you're seeing fog, that is. Otherwise, highs low to mid 80s, and mostly lower 80s to the east. Early fog, then partly to mostly sunny. Those areas around Lincoln, Beatrice, a little cloudier still compared to York, Hebron, Belleville, where this will be a little more sunshine for today. Well, the next couple of days, kind of some couple of distinct chances of rain and thunderstorms. Again, starting tonight into tomorrow, wrapping up tomorrow night. It will be a little cooler again for tomorrow, a couple of degrees cooler at least. Friday looking dry with partly to mostly sunny skies, highs in the lower 80s. Low to mid 80s as we get towards your Saturday, partly sunny. Could see some daytime showers and thunderstorms west of the Tri-Cities. A slight chance into the evening for the Tri-Cities. And then Saturday night, late night, a much better chance of rain and thunderstorms, which will continue right into your Sunday. That's a pretty good chance of rain and thunderstorms 5 days out. And if you're talking about a 70% chance, that's a pretty good chance of rain and isolated thunderstorms. Some of the chances are decent still into Sunday evening. Once we get into late Sunday night, Monday, starting to see a little bit of a lower chance of rain and thunderstorms kind of lingering on the backside of the system. And then another shot of rain comes in for Tuesday. This is a small chance right now. We'll kind of keep an eye as we get a little bit closer. A few forecast models hinting at another shot of rain moving in. But with the clouds and the rain around Sunday through Tuesday, temperatures only in the mid to upper 70s for highs. And notice we're going to cool things back starting on Monday night down into the 50s for a couple of nights here. After lows in the low to mid 60s, it'll be a little cooler there Monday night to early on Tuesday morning. And that could be a repeat again as we get towards Tuesday night to Wednesday morning. So kind of an active weather pattern, and for those that are still needing some good rain, still some chances, especially that chance Sunday, late Saturday night, Sunday. Again, I think we're going to see some pretty good rain across much of the area. I don't think the severe weather threat will be as high by that Sunday time frame compared to what we'll see with this first chance tonight, later today, tonight, and tomorrow across the parts of the area. So there you go. There is your forecast for today. I will not be here tomorrow. I am off for one day only. I'll be back on Friday morning just after 7 o'clock in the morning. So hope you all can join me again then. Otherwise, until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Kleneski. Hope you all do enjoy your Wednesday. We're already at the halfway point of August. Hard to believe. I'll talk to you again on Friday. God bless. Bye.